Hello everyone, thank you for taking the time to watch this video. I am out at Mr. Horak's property in Wildwood, Illinois. Right now I believe we have the rear slope paid to be replaced, and then shingles on the remaining roof sections here. This is a prior repair that was done, I'm not sure how long ago, but as you can see, I mean, it is, whoever replaced these was having a lot of difficulty doing this repair without damaging the surrounding shingles. Almost every surrounding shingle is fractured and has failed here. So I'm gonna do an attempt here as well, just to kind of document attempting a repair. Load up. Just gonna start by unsealing 2 rows of shingles here. Ooh, it's stuck. All right, one down. Okay. Oop. I don't know what that was. A big chunk of the shingle just fall off here. I think there's some of the matting there. Oh, just had a tear on the shingle here. Okay, so I've gotten the 2 rows of shingles unsealed here, access some nail points. So far I've got a tear there as well. We've got severe mat transfer. Alright, next step, if I were to pop a shingle out here, I'm going to be looking to hammer it back in. So I'm going to raise it up enough for a hammer length there, enough for hammer there, and enough for hammer. Alright, so look here. So this was the first tear that occurred that I noticed. Another piece there. This was the big section of matting here that came off over here as well. And then where were we? We come here. So you see those granules just falling off right here. I mean, that's a clear crease that formed. Where's the other one? We're right here. Same thing. You see all these granules falling off because there's a crease right here now. You know, weather comes through and knocks these granules out. Look at that. So, I mean, whether I'm trying to save this shingle or this shingle, you know, they've all failed here. We've got tearing, we've got mat transfer, we've got creasing. Spot repairs just are not possible on this roof. We will be sending in for a request for a full roof replacement. Thank you very much for taking the time to watch this. Hope you have a great day.